Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at my poorly Commodore CBM 4032, or the Commodore PET in other words. Now what's wrong with it? Well, not a lot, to be honest. Let's turn the beast on. Now it says Commodore Basic 4 31743 bytes free, ready. Everything's good except for that key there. So how do we fix a damaged key on the Commodore PET, which has the same keyboard as the very first VIC-20s? Well, the simple answer is we either buy a very early Commodore VIC-20 or we buy a keycap set from Germany, which arrived yesterday. So today I'll be pulling the keyboard apart. We'll be popping this key switch set in there. There's the plunger spring, top part of the plunger, and the keycap. I don't really need the keycap, I've got one, but I do need all the other parts as they're missing. So let's do that. So after removing two screws from the underside, one here and one here, the whole assembly hinges rather like a car bonnet. It even has a stay. So what we're going to do is remove all the screws from the underside of the keyboard, drop the keyboard down, and we'll take a little look at what's going on. So after removing all these pesky little screws, we've now got the keyboard free. I've just popped off the keyboard connector from the back of the keyboard, and the key, not the keyboard, but the key in question is the AT key, which you can see has the plunger top. That does actually pop out of there and just leaves a white recess, but there's no actual connecting plunger and no spring. So what I'm going to do is give this a quick wipe down. Take the screws off. I might have to desolder these two. Maybe, probably. We'll see. I might be able to get the key in there without disconnecting those, but we'll have a little look. But I'm going to take all these little screws out and see if I can get that little key in there, and then we should be good to go. And give it a wipe down as well. I think it's a little bit dusty. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Well, here goes. Oop. I don't think I'll put them back in with this, but it's quite nice to take them out with it. What I might do is leave one in at the end, the opposite end, and see if I can just tease the keyboard open to put the key in. So let's see if I can do that. So I've managed to get the key in, or the plunger in anyway, there, by just simply teasing the keyboard or the back plate out just a little bit and popping the plunger in, as you can see there. Now the plunger's, it's got a key weight slot on both sides. One slot is slightly wider than the other, so the slot furthest away is narrower than the slot nearest my finger. So you need to make sure the key is in the right way, or the plunger is in the right way. and then the spring can go on and the top, and you're finished. Obviously the wires popped off as soon as I tried to do it. Well, I'll solder those back on and we'll give it a clean down and see if it works. And there we go. That is one working PET, finally. So let's have a little look at the keyboard in situ. And there it is, all together, all working. It's a nice little fix. I don't like to see computers with keys missing. It really makes them look unloved and unwanted. So I do like to have computers complete, or as near complete as I can get them anyway. So that's a nice simple fix. If you have a Commodore VIC or PET or whatever, 64, they're all very similar with a broken key. It's not that big a deal to fix them. There are plenty of spares about. Now my particular key came from Germany, from eBay. It was, I don't know what it was, like 20 euros altogether. So well worth it, and a good fix in the end. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed the little video. I have another video coming up shortly about the Atari ST. I'll see you then, I hope. Take care, have a very good bank holiday weekend, and happy birthday, Stephen. Bye for now.